Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing some ideas for farmhouse patriotic decor. I love the way that farmhouse tries and can combine with patriotic elements to create a beautiful and stylish look. So whether you are looking to add a touch of red, white and blue to your home for the 4th of July or you just want to create a year-round patriotic space, I hope you will find some inspiration here. Here are some of the materials that you will need to create your own farmhouse patriotic decor. Whitewash wood swings, patriotic flags, burlap, twine, messengers, flowers, stars and stripes, ribbons, patriotic bunting, red, white, and blue paint, patriotic strands. Ideas. Here are some ideas for how to use these materials to create farmhouse patriotic decor. Paint a whitewash wood sign with a patriotic message or design. Hang patriotic flag for your porch or front decor. Wrap burlap around mason jars and fill them with flowers. Tie twine around mason jars and add patriotic ribbon or bunting. Paint a patriotic design on a piece of wood and hang it on your wall. Use a patriotic stencils to create a patriotic design on a piece of furniture or wall. Fill a vase with red, white, and blue flowers and place it on your mantel or coffee table. Add a touch of red, white, and blue to your home with patriotic throw pillows, blankets, or rugs. Wear patriotic clothing or accessories to show your support for country. Here are few tips for creating farmhouse patriotic decor. Keep it smile. Keep it simple. Farmhouse style is all about simplicity, so don't overdo it with the patriotic decor. A few well-placed pieces will make a big impact. Use natural materials. Farmhouse style is all about using natural materials, so try to use wood, burlap, and other natural materials in your patriotic decor. And a personal touch. The best farmhouse patriotic decor is the kind that has a personal touch. Add your own unique style to your decor to make it truly special. I hope you enjoyed these ideas for farmhouse patriotic decor. I would love to see your creations, so be sure to share them with me on social media. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more farmhouse decorating ideas. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think.